Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can select all the blank cells in a datasheet and then fill it with a text or number of your choice. Right over here you can see I have a datasheet with name of some peoples and their height in meters. You can see some of the guys don't have their height listed in front of their names, which means that the information is not available regarding their heights. Suppose we have to fill in these blank cells manually with a text like information not available, then it may not be a workable option if the sheet is extended over hundreds of rows and hundreds of columns. This is where the trick that I'm going to show you comes to your rescue. First, let me select the entire datasheet by clicking on the column B and then head over to the Home tab. And on the right side, you can see we have this option Find and Select. And here you can see Go to option. Click over here. Over here we have this option Special. Click over it. And here we have a new dialog box opened. And you can see we have this option Blanks. You can click over it and then click on OK. And there we are. You can see all the cells have been selected. The first option seems a little different because it is active where you can insert your text or number. Let me put in data not available. And then what you need to do, just hold the control key and press enter. And there you are. You can see the text has been inserted into all the blanks instantly. Isn't it a cool trick? And that's it for today. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.